Today I'm going to explore the Alkaff Park located at Woodleigh, or they called Woodleigh Park, that my friend messaged me today to explore and adventure with her. Good morning guys, this is Angie. Here we are at the Woodleigh Mall. This is the way going to this park, guys. It's nice here in this mall and it's my first time step on here, this place. So massive mall, many food stall or food chain got list here, guys. I saw and read. I think this is the base one or two, and right now I'm trying to find the way going to that park.
Dito tayo
My
magbaba
friend
na
is
kasi
already at the park.
ano kaya mas
Wow.
malapit?
Nice. I met people to ask how to get there. They said
Kanina.
at the level 2 got a connector bridge going there. So let's do this. Just follow the instruction they gave to me. Yay! Yay! So here I am finally. Wow! Look at that. So amazing. Beautiful. Blue skies. Beautiful natures. High buildings. Big trees and so on. It's weekend, so that's why many people to come here. Sightseeing around the area or the park. It gives you good vibes. Really. Nice guys, look at that vibrant, beautiful flowers. So them hot weather here. We're holding umbrella while doing vlogging for you guys. Surrounded by so greenery natures. Really nice here. Some area got chair to take a rest or sit for a few minutes. I would say this is another massive garden or park here in Singapore.
Oo, kanina. Masarap ang wind dito guys, yung hangin, malakas yung hangin. Wow. Ang ganda yung mga kahoy doon, oh, lahat yung mga ano, I show you guys. Leaves, they are falling down. That tree guys I'm talking about, big tree. Yeah, is surrounded by big trees here guys. And yeah, colorful, vibrant, the colors and buildings. Kaya nagpahinga muna ako dito guys. Umupo pa ako. Ayan si Dayan, oh. Welcome to the vlog, Dayan.
Hello.
Patagal kami naman hindi nagkita. So just now again, we see each other again guys. Kasi busy. Bihira lang kami na ano magkita kahit off day namin. Kasi magkaano yung schedule namin. Minsan magkapunta doon, punta doon yung isa, hindi magkatugma. So yeah, that's life. So at least we have a time also to see each other once in a while. Wow, so damn hot here guys. So scorching, you see my sweat. I feel sweating. So thank you so much for all my subscribers out there guys. It's not enough to say thank you guys. Oh, grabe init. And I just continue to take views here outside guys and share with you out there. So yeah, and let's continue walking with my friend here, Dayan. And yeah, by the way, it's Sunday guys, so happy Sunday out there and happy weekend as well. So yeah, let's go continue vlogging.
Welcome to Alkaff Lake. It's not actually finished the construction or renovation the area, but it can do to explore the area. So damn hot. I felt scorching. Whoo! But I like it. So sunny. It hurt the skin. It's better explore like this the weather. And I recognize that the lake is has similar with the botanic garden or the gardens by the way. It really, I can say once this area or park totally 100% finished the construction is gives you stunning park.
Wow, so huge of plantation firm here guys. Look there. Go. Burn. Go back. Wow, so massive trees here guys. They are tall. Wow. Still a jungle. That's so you feel fresh air here. Amazing. Come here and walking, sightseeing. Yes guys, so I end my video here and yeah, hope you enjoy watching this vlog share with you guys, and hope you like also the view, the natural resources or naturals natures in surround here this place. So massive the area guys, so I never never walk along all the way because so really massive the area and still on under maintenance the area. And yeah, so greenery around and many big trees around. Yeah, still some areas still jungle. So it's just like a what's called the botanic garden or Marina Bay or Garden by the Bays, the area, guys. And yes, so really also scorching the heat, the sun. So fresh air is really nice there in this place, guys. Can relax and listening sound the natures, the insects and birds. Got birds. If you yeah, do you hear also? And everybody can uh go by walking, sightseeing here inside this area and really. So yeah, that's it and hope you enjoy watching this vlog, guys, and don't forget always to stay kind and hope you have a good day or great one, guys, with your loved ones out there. So thank you very much for your supports and please considering to subscribe, click the link, no, it's like button and the please comment down below and click the bell and click all. And yeah, so see you next time again, guys, for another vlog. Okay, bye.